Alright guys, Wes here with Restore Your Jordans and More. On one of my last videos I showed you guys how I made my Jordan 12 Gym Reds soles white again. There was a little bit of yellowing still, and since then I put out another video on the new grow light that a friend of mine let me borrow, and I left that in the box for a day with 2 other pairs of shoes. So I wanted to give you an update on what happened with the Gym Reds since then. So here's what we have. They're almost like pure white now. So I'm going to say that that little grow light that I was donated, it's working. It's working. And on the bottoms, almost no yellow whatsoever. So that light is definitely working. So now I'm going to take off the plastic, I'm going to take off the tape, and I'm going to see what our end result is going to be, and then we're going to do a nice comparison without the tape on it. Alright, so I'll be back in a minute. Alright, all the plastic's off, all the tape is off. I'm now going to take it to get some water, rinsed on them, take my brush, get all the stuff off of it, dry it off, and then I'm going to give you another view of what it looks like now after. Alright, I'm kind of happy with the way this came out. So very, very slight little hint of some kind of a color left under the very bottom. But I say that's a beautiful, beautiful color compared to what it was. Again, I'll put the before and after up. Okay. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. So we are definitely going to be using the Icebox more definitely for white soles. Rather than the clear gel looking soles. So we're gonna just play with it. But I do have 2 other shoes coming out pretty soon. It's my red and my blue suede Jordan 5s. They're looking pretty good already, but I can't wait to pull them out. Probably the next day or so. All right, so talk to you soon.